Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody is nice like sugar and all the spices. Today we are making some jerk seasoning, some nice flavorful mix up, nice up jerk seasoning. Here we have some scallion, thyme, what's that, garlic, ginger. Of course we need some Scotch bonnet pepper, some sugar, some salt, the whole 10 yards. This isn't 9, this is about 10. So here to my chopper I'm adding 2 onions. So this was 2 large onions, and next I'm adding some of the scallions. So I chop them up so that it would be kind of easier, right? Now I get the thing too much work for though. Now I'm adding some thyme. By the way, you need to take off that part, right? Make sure you take off them tough part there. You don't need that in there. So yeah, I added more thyme and I'm adding some cloves of garlic. In total, I think I used 6 cloves of garlic. And here I added some ginger. And now I'm putting in the pimento seed and the sugar and Scotch bonnet pepper, and I added some chili pepper, and I'm going in with my seasoning, regular all-purpose seasoning, and of course some paprika, right? I'll list everything down below. And here I'm adding some white vinegar, right, and some salt. Go in with the salty and a little bit of oil, and of course just a touch of browning to give it some color. And now I'm going to put my little chopper together and chop. Okay, so that was the first choperation that took place, right? So I'm just gonna look at it, make sure everything look good and choppy. It looks okay. So now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So of course the scallion and thyme and the works, right? But Vibes fam, and I'm adding some more chilies. So Vibes fam, about the pepper, in total I use 3.5 Scotch bonnet pepper. Now guess what, you need to know the amount of pepper that you want into your jerk, right? Because remember, even in the store you can buy mild, you can buy hot. So you need to know what level of hot you want your jerk seasoning, right? So like over here sometimes you get some Scotch bonnet pepper with already for no light, and we not really like those. So make sure you kind of give it a smell. When you cut it, kind of give it a smell. So it helps if you to know if it's really hot or what, right? So yeah, chop to the chop. That looks so good, right? That looks so good. And guess what? You can add the Scotch bonnet pepper but take out the seed too. Say you want to do 1.5 or 2. So take out the seed out of 1 to make it less hot, right? And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here is my jerk seasoning, looking so jerky, jerk. Looking so good, looking so seasonlicious. Seasonlicious, looking so good. You know, so when you put that on your food, your food just step out, with the seasoning, it step out and it nice and it tastes good and it ready. I am are telling you, it ready, tasty, and it's perfect in the sense that you get to add whatever you want. You get to make the level of hotness, whatever level of hotness. So if you're a real atanaris, you know say you make it hot. You add all 7 chili, 7 are my favorite number by the way. You add all 7 of them Scotch bonnet pepper there and you say yeah. But if you know if you're not at nothing, then you know say you just say alright, just hold a 2 just hold a 2 Scotch bonnet. Or even hold a 1. Though. But yeah, Vibes fam, look at it. It's so seasony, goody, so nice. So nice. So Vibes fam, thank you so much as usual for hanging out with me, and everything will be listed in the description down below. Come throw my seasoning. Yes, I mean him Caesar girl. Well, me start sell seasoning. Thank you so much for watching, Vibes fam. Thank you. God bless you so much, and thank you guys for the support. Go and follow me on Instagram. It will be listed down below.